powerful utility management tool will automatically save your family money. The suite is made up of 3 sensors: PowerX Heat, PowerX Water, and PowerX Electricity. These non-invasive sensors use AI to collect information and provide real-time insights on your home's utility usage. That information can easily be viewed on the PowerX mobile app. It'll turn off your water heater when you're on vacation, reducing CO2 emissions and saving you money. PowerX Water and PowerX Electricity identify saving potential and give you real-time tips to reduce your energy bill. PowerX is truly in a league of its own, and here's why. The powerful AI developed by Harvard scientists uses 360-degree insight and real-time utility monitoring to instantly analyze your family's energy usage. Plybot started with the idea of making an easily assembled flat-pack 3D printer that was economical to produce, and after a few iterations, we honed in on the notion that anyone should be able to 3D print at home, with no fuss. So it needed to be user-friendly and well-designed, a pleasure to use. We also thought it should sit on your desk like a little 3D printing body, a tough guy who can be in action all of the time, and that you can do all kinds of fun stuff with not a one-trick pony. And here is Meet Plybot, the simple easy way to bring 3D printing home, combining state-of-the-art technology with approachable design. Plybot is uncomplicated, works beautifully, and won't break the bank. There's zero fiddling to get started. Just switch it on and the superior onboard intelligence does the rest. Print anything with one tape through the Plybot app. It's also super quiet here. It's Plybot's dynamic step drivers and BitARM CPU working together to keep the volume down. Plybot loves you this much his robotic arms cover a wide printing area. Since Plybot's design was inspired by humans, why not dress him up? Choose from loads of different colors and even customizable graphics for his arms, like combo patterns or the Incredible Hulk. Plybot is designed and assembled with love in California. This small and mighty printer will wow you with possibilities, and its super affordable price. After years of design and development, both inside and out, this is the best version yet. See for yourself how easy it is to bring the future home. Lylux is a cordless hair dryer with fast drying, which shortens the time of blow-drying hair to only 5 to 7 minutes each time, while it takes traditional hair dryer minutes to blow-dry your hair. With a wireless fast-charging base, it takes only 1 hour to get fully charged. Save for the pleasure in the fast-paced world. Lylux cordless hair dryer can also prevent the possibility of hair being sucked into the hair dryer, and the hair inlet glitter that is thinner than the hair can prevent the risk of hair being set. Usually most beds don't stay still when their owners are blow-drying them, while Line Next removes the imitation for you so that you can blow-dry your pad anywhere they want. Beyond space limitation, Lylux cordless hair dryer is small in size, does not hog up space, and its endurance is an hour. Perfect for individual and family travel. No matter you are going swimming or hitting the gym, take Lylux on the go. Let it satisfy a family's daily needs. For a hair dryer, giving you and your family a relaxing and pleasant experience of hair care. Lylux Airflow Multiplier technology spins up to 100,000 RPM, propelling 10 liters of air every second, with a wing speed of 14 meters per second. Wind and its airflow is 3 times as much as that of a regular hair dryer. Fast blow drying is then achieved. Lylux cordless hair dryer comes with 6 pieces, high-performance batteries, which guarantees its endurance. Traditional hair drying technology relies on hot air to do the trick, while excessive temperature leads to the water in the cortex evaporate rapidly, causing cavities in the mandibular layer and damage to the cuticle line. Legs hair dryer can fast blow dry the moisture on the surface of hair to avoid high air temperature, gently blowing dry the water to prevent the cavity in the mandibular layer. Damaged hair tends to lack moisture and shine. With its fast drying and controlled styling to help increase smoothness, shine, and decrease freeze and flyaways line legs. Save all the worries for you. Intelligent temperature control technology of Lylux hair dryer is to prevent hair from extreme heat damage. Healthy hair tends to be shiny, and Great Cool Yokarku Technology Company Limited is an emergency power supply.